Alright, so I'm making a video about practically just open a box because I just want to. So I got here a big box. Thread Beast, reached out to them. Want to try the product, see how it is. I'm gonna post this video in my IG. Hope it works. Yeah, let's get to opening. Alright, let's get into it. I hope this is a good video. Alright, so don't play with knives. Be safe around it. Alright, hold on. I might be opening this wrong. Hold on. I'm just stupid. Here we go. So, cut over there. And you make a small incision. Oh. I guess I got it. Slowly put away the knife. Put it out of your hand of reach. Alright, let's do this. Thread Beast, let's check it out. What do you send me for my first box? Let's see. Sticker. Ooh, wow. So I don't know why, but they knew I love camo, so that's one. So next I got these socks. Really dope. Cocktail bar. Print. Okay, I got a couple things in here. Another beanie. That's dope. La Familia shirt. This is dope, but I don't think I would wear this. Not my style. But it is dope. I don't know, maybe I'll give this away. Alright, let's see what else. I wonder what this is. I mean, this is dope as well. Alright, I'll keep it. This is that. Ooh, wow. Oh shoot, I think they sent me the wrong size sweats. Oh, this is a size medium. But this may be too big on me though. I don't know. We'll see how it is. What? And finally a hoodie. Yep. So, last one is a hoodie. It says happiness sticks to your face. I wonder if you guys can see that. That's awesome. Dude, and the freaking graphic on this looks so cool. Like, this is like a furry... How would you pronounce it? Like it's like Velcro. It feels like Velcro, but it's like almost like suede. And then this is also suede. This is just like, how do you pronounce it? Like a graphic thing. But this is cool. I'll post a picture on my IG. Thank you, Thread Beast. Enjoy it. But listen, one sticker though. Come on, you gotta spoil it, guys. All right. Thanks, Thread Beast. Peace.